driving lesson number 3 with Willie, we worked on turning left at complex intersections, proceeding through yellow lights and parallel parking, getting ready for his test next week. Stick around. We'll be right back with that information. Okay, so now move up so your front tires are on that front crosswalk line, like right here. Stop, right here. There isn't a gap. There's a car behind them there. Is there a gap there?
This big truck is kind of blocking me.
Okay. Now go. Straight forward. Make sure the cars are stopped. Go, go, go.
Oh, shit.
Okay, as soon as that light turns yellow, drive straight forward. Make sure that the traffic is stopping and then turn. Okay? Because you got to go on the yellow because you're already in the intersection, right?
Yeah.
But you've got to, we're going to keep going straight here.
Straight through.
Yeah. But you got to keep going straight. You got to move straight forward in the intersection to make sure that the traffic is actually stopping. You don't want to commit to the turn, right?
Yeah.
Because they may blow that yellow. Too fast, too hot. Going too hot there.
Yeah.
Remember, snow and ice. You get in somebody else's vehicle, it's not going to have steel-studded tires on it, right?
Yeah.
So your front end's going to start slipping around on you.
Yeah. I was practicing with my friends yesterday. It was a lot harder than my mom's.
Yep. Because this is front-wheel drive and it's got steel-studded tires on it, so the studs actually dig into the snow and ice.
Oh.
Whereas, I don't know whether you even know whether your friend's got...
He's got regular winters.
Yep. It just rides on top, right? I mean, winters are good, don't get me wrong. So where do we stop here?
Just at the line?
At the edge where the two roads meet.
Oh, okay.
Like right just before entering the intersection.
Right about here.
Yep. Because there's no sidewalk, right?
Yeah.
So that's the nice thing about the winter time is you don't have to, you just either before the sidewalk or before entering the intersection.
Okay.
Okay, let's parallel park off this car right here. Since it's just sitting there being all nice for us. So 3 feet. Imagine there's a person standing between you and that car.
Okay.
That's a perfect. So you want your back ends in line.
Okay.
You want your back end of your car
I see.
in line with that car.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Now, are you straight? Is your vehicle straight?
No,
It's a little bit crooked, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So signal into reverse, perfect. Crank your steering wheel all the way to the right. Okay, back up. Okay, right about there. Straighten your wheel out. There you go.
Sticking out pretty far in there.
No, because just pull up until you can just straighten your wheels out. Right there. Stop. Into park. Parking brake on. Because see here, you don't want to get over any farther because if you do, you're into the snowbank.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I was just comparing myself with theirs. Yeah.
It doesn't matter because they've dug that out a little bit, but this is fine because you don't have to be. It's wintertime. You don't have to be exact. You just have to not be in the snowbank because remember, the driving examiner's not going to push you out of the snowbank when you get stuck.
Yeah.
So this is fine. That's the other thing about the wintertime. It's easier when it's like this because you don't have to be exact.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that does make sense. Yeah.
Okay. Don't back up.
I don't back up.
So always back up first. See, you're already into the snow, right?
Yeah.
So you didn't want to get any closer than that. Just more, a little bit more. A little bit more, right there. So mirror signal shoulder check. Into drive. You still got the parking brake on. That's why you're having trouble.
Oh, that's not good. Oh.
Yeah, it won't hurt. And we go.
This video is made possible by the course package, Pass Your Driver's Test First Time, because we know that your driver's test is the most stressful day of your life, and without some form of driver training, your chances of passing are less than 50%. As a bonus, we'll include both the defensive and winter driving smart courses. These will make you a safer, smarter driver and reduce your chances of being involved in an accident. Click down in the description there and get full details.
Yep, you can turn right on red as long as you give way to everybody else. And of course, after coming to a complete stop, which you already did, right?
That's how I failed my one in Kamloops.
Yeah, well, you're not going to do that. You can, so as long as you come to a complete stop, you give way to everybody else, there aren't any signs prohibiting a right on a red, you can proceed.
Okay. Make sure it's safe about it.
Yep, they're in, you can proceed. It's really nice that you give them that space, right? So you're not crowding them, as some people do when you're trying to parallel park. They drive right up behind you and you're like, really?
Yeah.
You know exactly what I'm doing. Speed up, they're waiting for you. No, not too much. So as soon as you put your signal on, most of the time they're going to help you out. They're going to slow down. They're going to wait for you to move over, right?
Yeah.
Not all the time, but a lot more time than if you just wait for a gap.
Oh,
I get guys in the truck and they're like, tell them to change lanes and they're like, the car won't move. Did you try turning your signal on and asking them? Yeah, wait here.
yeah. Okay.
Because see the huge line of traffic?
Yeah.
You're probably not going to be able to go, so it might just be better, especially on your driver's test, it might be better just to wait for the advanced green.
Oh, okay.
Now, if you are looking down here and you do see a line of, a gap,
Yeah.
then you can start to move up. But
I don't see one. Yeah.
if you don't see a gap, then it might be just safer to wait for the advanced green.
Yeah.
I don't think your test is during a busy time during the day.
No. So everybody's at work, I think.
Yeah, so see, it's just safer to wait for the advanced green.
Or it's New Year's, actually. Nobody'd be at work. But.
And see, that guy in the white pickup truck was stuck way out too far here, so you had to go way around him to get around that corner.
I see.
So that was the other thing.
Oh, shit.
No, you were too far into the intersection.
Yeah.
But that's good because, we're encountering those when we're training, right?
Yeah.
So you can figure out where you got to stop and when you don't have to stop.
Yeah.
Because that's only a skill you're going to learn through experience. It's not something that somebody can tell you, right?
Yeah. Figuring out where, yeah, you're right. You're so right, jiu-jitsu.
Yeah, like I have a video on it, but unless you actually encounter it a few times during your training, you're kind of like, do I, don't I?
Yeah.
Hang on there one sec. The thought of failing your driver's test is what keeps you up at night right now. Click the link over here. Check out the Smarter Driver course package that guarantees that you will pass your driver's test first time. Click the link and check that out. And have a great day. All the best.